lovely people, I'm Stephanie. Welcome to Love That Bite. Today I'm going to show you how to make stuffed zucchini, a great way to eat up all the zucchini that's overflowing from the garden. So let's get started. Heat 2 tablespoons olive oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Add the ground beef and cook until evenly browned. Meanwhile, chop an onion and transfer to the skillet. Crush 2 cloves garlic and saute for about 3 to 5 minutes. Add a can of diced tomato, then stir well. Season with salt, pepper, rosemary, basil, oregano, and cayenne pepper. Wash and trim stems from zucchini and slice lengthwise. Scoop out the seed with a spoon. Then give a rough chop. Add half of the seed to the skillet and stir for a couple minutes. Stuff the zucchini with the meat mixture and place in a baking pan. Bake in the preheated oven for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, take the baking pan out from the oven and sprinkle the zucchini with grated mozzarella cheese. Put them back in the oven for another 10 minutes just until the cheese is melted. And for the final, garnish our zucchini with some fresh chopped parsley for color. They are looking beautiful and very simple to serve with some rice, French bread, or even salad. So make sure you give it a try and leave a comment how do you think of it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you want the recipe, check out the link below over my website LoveThatBite.com. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel to get a new update video. I'll see you next time. Bye!